Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have to pick another winner for the Christmas in July giveaway. I waited so long for the first winner to message me, and unfortunately I haven't got a message on Instagram or my email. So here I am picking another winner, and congratulations, paper vessels. Please send me a message through Instagram. I appreciate everyone playing, and thank you so much for participating. If you didn't win, that's okay. I'm going to have more giveaways, and I also know who Paper Vessels is, so congratulations. I'm very excited for her to win this, and yeah, just message me and stay tuned, you guys. I will have more giveaways. If you'd like to make your own loaded bag, head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com. Use V10% to save 10% throughout the entire website.